Hi, I'm Jasmin Zorlu. Welcome to my Freeform Hat Blocking class. I'm a milliner, which means a hat designer. I've been making hats for 18 years now. I'm doing the demo, and then we're going to each block the hats, and at the end of the day it will be finished, and then when we come back on Thursday they'll be all dry and ready to stitch. This is the technique that we're going to learn with the draping. The folds on the felt, which is achieved by taking this felt cone and steaming it and then draping it on a standard balsa hat block. I'm going to show you how to measure your head, and then I'll start with the demonstration. The first measurement we make is the circumference of the head just above the ears, and you don't want to pull it too tight. I always like to put the finger in there because I don't like tight heads, they give you a headache. Natural start.
Okay, it's about we have 20.
So,
23.
oh, I think your head's been growing. It's my brain. Yeah, 23. 23.
That's what I thought. Okay, I wasn't
Okay.
sure.
And spray the inside of the felt. Not too much. It's better to underspray than overspray, because if you overspray, when you start blocking, the water will come through the felt and then make these little marks that are kind of like acne scars, you know, pock marks. If you ever see anything on the internet that says these are vintage felts, they're really long and thick, grab them, because then you can do lots of draping. Don't spray the outside of the hat, because then it'll mark it and stain it. So I think that's about good. Feel that. Feel the take top. Your hat block and make sure the center front is facing you. And make sure that it's even on all sides here. And then kind of like press it down. To anchor it down so that it won't move up while you're blocking, and then one on the opposite side. So with blocking, you always go on one side and then you go on that opposite side and pull down. You can also start pulling like this, and then using you put the pin in at a 45-degree angle. Yeah, this is how it's done. You can do, these are like regular folds. And then sometimes while you're working, you see a fold that wants to start happening. Usually I just go with it instead of fighting it. I'm going to fold it so that I have a different look on the back. So I can wear the back and the front. It'll be two hats in one.
Changes because you're still manipulating that.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Seems like it shrunk up a bit, so I'm going to pull it down a little. Oh, that's cute. Maybe I make it higher on one side. Yeah, that's better. Oh yeah, that's really cute. Okay. Oh no, it looks better sticking out. And also you can have it dry. And then when you stitch, you have to stitch the same way that you blocked it. Otherwise, all kinds of puckers will come. Brush it. And then it's ready to dry.